So while I was up in Charlotte, of course, I picked up my granddaughter. Say hi.
Hi.
And we did a lot of shopping while we were in Charlotte, especially the different Dollar Trees in Charlotte, North Carolina. So let us show you what we picked up. Ready, Ariana? Okay, so I found this nice ocean riptide candle, and let's take it off, and it smells, oh, it smells so good. Smell it. And usually, you know, at the Dollar Tree, the candles are really a hit and miss. You really don't get a lot of fragrance from the candles, but this is the one that I found. It's called Ocean Riptide, and it's really good. Okay, so put that over there. And I cannot say enough about the Himalayan pink salt. I use this in all my seasonings and food for $1. I love this pink salt. Okay. And believe it or not, I found size 11. Don't laugh at my big feet, but yeah, size 11 flip-flops. I didn't get them to wear them, so you'll see these in an upcoming tablescape. And I came across these lovely United States flags. They're the tote bags. Aren't these nice? Now my Dollar Tree did not have these. That's why when you're a Dollar Tree shopaholic like me, you have to go out to the different stores and be able to travel and find different items. So we got 2 bags, and you'll see these in the upcoming tablescape. We found the fresh popcorn bags. You get 8 in a pack. I have not seen these. These are very, these are gonna be very fun when we have our
movie night.
Yes. Okay, so we got these 8 in a pack. There you go, ma'am. I found these mini glass containers. You get 5 in a pack. And of course, these are for our dolls. You'll see these in our doll series that'll be coming up shortly while Ariana is visiting, right, honey? Okay. Now, I can't say that I love these. I got 3. I have been searching and searching and searching in my area, and of course, they do not have it. The last time I picked these up, I had to drive about 45 minutes to another fabulous Dollar Tree, but I found them in Charlotte. And this is the garlic and pepper seasoning. And I got 3 of them, so hopefully this will last me for the summer. Very, very good when you're flavoring, you know, like your chicken, your shrimp, any type of meat, perhaps throwing it in your salad. Oops, sorry, honey. Throwing it in your salad or in your vegetables. So this is a great seasoning. Okay. And this is something new that I came across. It's called the Piercing and Scoring Tool Set. I think this is going to help me out a lot when I am doing my fake foods. It has the piercing points, and then it has the scoring sides. So if I do a DIY on making one of my fake foods, I will show this in the next video. Okay. Next, I came across the 4th of July scarf. You guys have always, you know, you've seen these. And pick that up. Then I found 4th of July hat. Now, I have not seen these hats. Y'all probably have, but like I keep telling y'all, in my town, if they came out and through all this that's been going on, I really wasn't out shopping in the Dollar Trees. Okay, and then lastly, no, got a couple more things. See, I'm always forgetting stuff. I found 3 Patriot mini flags. Get 3 in a pack for $1. Just your standard flag. And I'm not going to open them because you guys should know, what they look like. Now, this is the exciting of my find. I found 2 yard garden stakes. I got one as the star and one as like a flower, and you will see these in my upcoming tablescape. $1 again. There you go. Now these last 2 that I have, they are not from the Dollar Tree, but since we're doing a Dollar Tree, we went to the Dollar General, and they have the flag, as a band. These are bandanas, and then I just got a blue and white polka dot. So we got those 2. And as I'm always doing, just double checking, making sure that I didn't forget anything like I normally do, and then I have to show y'all again at the end of the next video. So I hope that you enjoyed our Dollar Tree finds. I got my sidekick here, my buddy, and you'll be seeing her probably for the rest of June in a lot of my videos. And with that being said, and as I always say, if it ain't cheap,
I'm not buying it.
Y'all stay blessed and make sure to hit that
subscribe button.
Give us
a big thumbs up.
And make sure you
comment down below.
Stay blessed. We love y'all.